Why the hell should you hire a web marketing agency anyways? So this is the question that came up last week, and I haven't had this question in a long time, and I felt that it should be answered because it's a great question. Why do I need any of you people? Why do I need any of you crazy, crazy web marketers? I think there's 3 reasons, and I thought maybe we could, talk about them. So, first thing here, this is the first one that came to the top of my mind, expertise. In digital, you don't know what you don't know, and that was the case with that call. We were talking about paid search, and the person that was on the call, she was doing some paid search, and I said, well, how are you measuring your paid search? I'm like, so how is your paid search doing? And she's like, oh, it's doing good, doing pretty good. And I said, well, great. How are you measuring that? And she's like, well, we're getting more traffic. I'm like, wow, excellent, excellent. So you're getting more traffic. All right. So what does that mean? I mean, and this just really comes back down to this very point. This person could use a digital marketing agency just for the mere fact that she needs to understand that that's not how she should be measuring her stuff, okay? Now, not everybody is in that case, but there's a lot of things like, how can you make Facebook work for you? How can you make Pinterest work for you? What are the things that you should be tracking? With the new Google Analytics tools that are always coming up, how can you use them? How can you use event tracking and custom report tracking, custom variables, and all of this stuff? This is something that an agency deals with every single day and can help you understand these tools. I believe strongly that a person inside a company by themselves cannot fully understand these things because you're working on one client basically. And so you have an expertise in a certain area, but an agency is working on all kinds of clients. And so, like let's say, for example, you're not a very localized company, so you're not you're not really caught up on all the local stuff. But as an agency, there could be a whole other company that's doing a ton of local and could take some of those ideas and apply them to your campaign. They could be like, look, I was doing this with this other client in local, and I think it could work for you. Expertise is a big thing. All right, next up, saving time. An agency can get you to market much faster. So I believe this is the case. I think that there is a ton of trial and error in all of these things. And you are basically using your company as your test bed because you don't have anybody else to test. You can't test with anybody else. You don't have other clients to work on. And so it's going to take you longer to get somewhere, whereas an agency who is doing testing as well has tested on a variety of clients and companies. And so they have seen what works and what doesn't work. And so when you come to them, they can be like, oh, well, you should just do this. And I think that can be a great value. Number 3. I think this is the most important, saving money. This is the reason you should be hiring an agency. And if they can't do this for you, you shouldn't be using them. More sales and leads for less money. That's what I really believe. And I came up with a couple internal case studies that I think were kind of interesting that showed this in our case. This is not agency-wide. This isn't, other people have other case studies, but these are case studies that we can talk about. So here is a paid search campaign. I want you to look at that $132.92. That's cost per conversion. A 2.62% conversion rate. That's without us. With SageRock, $88 per conversion, 3.25% conversion rate. See, higher cost per conversion, lower conversion rate. So we're getting you more conversions at a lower cost. Okay, there's one. This was a company that just wanted more traffic. There can be that case. We were doing paid search. We were able to get them double the traffic for the same cost they were using in paid search, and And in addition, we dropped their bounce rate 91%, visits were up 92%, page views up 413%, visit duration up 280%. Greg here at SageRock, their average cost per click was $1.30 before Greg, after Greg, 54 cents. Since working with SageRock, website leads are up 74%. This is a Miller Weldmaster case study we did. Website traffic has increased approximately 25%. I find this interesting. This is important to know because what I was saying here is the traffic only increased 25%, but I was able to do much more with the traffic. The focus on this was conversion tracking, getting more conversions. All right. Since working with SageRock, before SageRock, a lead cost them $525 each form. After SageRock reworking the paid search account, $31. Okay, which one is better? Which would you rather have? $529 each form that came over, or $31 for each form that came over? Before SageRock, the paid search conversion rate was 0.23%. We were able to then get it somewhere between 3.5 and 5%. That's what we do. That's who we are, and those are the kinds of abilities that we're able to bring. So those are the 3 reasons I think you should hire a web marketing agency, and so specifically, maybe, us, the SageRock. All right, everybody, I'm Sage Lewis, the web marketing video guy, and happy marketing.